I'm Tracy Hennessey. I'm a registered nurse. I work on Hasbro 5th floor. I've been a nurse for just about 19 years. I'm a mom of 3, and my oldest son was diagnosed with leukemia. He was 3.5 years old, and I decided to quit school and just focus on him and his health. And I spent the better part of 2.5 years on Hasbro 5, taking care of my son and learning about leukemia and going through chemotherapy treatments and just being a mom. But while I was in the hospital, I realized how comfortable I was in the hospital setting, and these people helped to save my child's life. And I learned so much from all of them, not just medically, but emotionally. And I realized that this is where I was supposed to be. It's great to be able to help other families go through what I've gone through. I know what it's like to sleep in those beds. I know what it's like to have your child diagnosed with cancer, and giving the trust to the doctors and the nurses to take care of your child. All these new people in your life that you didn't know the day before, but now you're entrusting your child's life with these people and allowing them to tell you what your child needs. That's a huge thing for a parent, to have to put their trust in someone else to save their child's life. So as a nurse now on the floor, because I went through this, I'm able to be more understanding, empathize with these families that are hearing that very day that their son or daughter has been diagnosed with a life-threatening illness. Most people don't know what that entails until they're actually in it. Unfortunately, I've also been at end of life with a lot of my patients, and I feel honored to be at the bedside with these families. When they're saying goodbye to their child, I'll get emotional, because it's always emotional, even still, 20 years later, that my son survived, and I'm very blessed. So it's like my job to make sure I do everything I can for these families with whatever they're going through. And the families tell me that if it wasn't for me and the staff, they never would have gotten through what they got through. And whether it's a good outcome or not, being there by their side as much as I can be makes such a difference in their lives, which makes a difference in my life. I'm honored to do what I do, and I wouldn't change it for the world.